As we age, particularly beyond the age of 60, maintaining muscle strength becomes a vital component of overall health and independence. Muscle mass naturally declines with age, which can lead to reduced mobility, increased risk of falls, and difficulty performing everyday activities. This gradual loss of strength can make tasks such as rising from a chair, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries more challenging. Additionally, age-related changes in metabolism and hormonal balance can further accelerate muscle loss. Recognizing these challenges is the first step toward preserving physical function and quality of life. By prioritizing muscle strength, older adults can support their balance, maintain independence, and reduce the likelihood of injury. As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes increasingly vital for our overall health and independence. Strong muscles support everyday activities such as walking, standing up from a chair, and carrying groceries, all of which contribute to a higher quality of life. Rebuilding muscle not only helps prevent falls and injuries, but also enhances balance and mobility. For seniors, preserving muscle mass is linked to better metabolic health and reduced risk of chronic conditions. By prioritizing muscle strength, older adults can continue to enjoy daily routines with confidence and maintain their autonomy. Ultimately, investing in muscle health supports longevity and a more active, fulfilling lifestyle. Many people believe that muscle loss is an unavoidable part of aging, especially after the age of 60. However, this misconception overlooks the body's remarkable ability to rebuild strength with the right approach. Contrary to popular belief, muscle decline is not solely due to age, but often results from reduced physical activity. Targeted exercises, such as chair squats, wall push-ups, and resistance band movements, can effectively stimulate muscle growth and improve overall mobility. By consistently incorporating these activities into your routine, it's possible to reverse muscle loss and enhance daily function. With proper guidance and gradual progression, seniors can regain strength and maintain independence well into their later years. As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes essential for preserving mobility and independence. Recent insights from leading surgeons highlight a simple yet highly effective approach to rebuilding muscle, especially for those over 60. Unlike traditional gym workouts that often require specialized equipment and intense routines, this method focuses on targeted exercises that can be performed safely at home. By emphasizing functional movements and gradual progression, individuals can experience faster improvements in muscle mass and strength. This approach is designed to fit seamlessly into daily life, making it accessible for people with varying levels of mobility. With consistency and proper technique, seniors can support their overall health and regain confidence in their physical abilities. Among the various exercises recommended for seniors, the chair squat stands out as one of the most effective moves for rebuilding muscle strength. This simple exercise primarily targets the quadriceps and glutes, which are essential for maintaining mobility and supporting daily activities like standing up or walking. By mimicking the motion of sitting down and standing up from a chair, chair squats engage large muscle groups in the lower body without requiring specialized equipment or a gym setting. The movement also helps improve balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls. Regularly performing chair squats can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle tone and functional strength, making everyday tasks easier and safer for older adults. Chair squats are a simple yet powerful exercise for building lower body strength, especially for seniors. To perform chair squats safely at home, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart in front of a sturdy chair. Slowly bend your knees and push your hips back as if you are about to sit down, keeping your chest lifted and your back straight. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground or just above the seat, making sure your knees don't go past your toes. Pause briefly, then press through your heels to rise back up to the starting position. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions, resting as needed. Always use a chair that won't slide, and if you need extra support, place your hands lightly on the chair's arms or seat. This exercise helps strengthen your quadriceps and glutes, supporting balance and mobility. Chair squats are a highly effective exercise for older adults seeking to improve lower body strength, balance, and mobility. By engaging the quadriceps and gluteal muscles, chair squats help maintain the power needed for everyday activities such as standing up, walking, and climbing stairs. This movement also enhances stability, reducing the risk of falls by strengthening the muscles that support balance. Regular practice of chair squats can lead to greater confidence in movement and increased independence. Additionally, chair squats are accessible and can be performed safely at home with minimal equipment, making them an ideal choice for seniors looking to rebuild muscle strength without visiting a gym. Wall push-ups are a practical and accessible exercise for seniors looking to improve upper body and core strength. Unlike traditional push-ups, wall push-ups are performed standing, making them easier on the joints while still providing effective muscle engagement. To do this exercise, stand facing a wall with your arms extended, then lean forward and push against the wall. This movement targets the chest, shoulders, and arms, while also activating the core for stability. Aim for 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions, adjusting the intensity as needed to suit your fitness level. Incorporating wall push-ups into your routine can help maintain muscle strength and support overall mobility as you age. Wall push-ups are a simple and effective exercise that can help build upper body and core strength, especially for seniors or those new to strength training. To perform a wall push-up, stand facing a wall with your feet about arm's length away. Place your hands flat against the wall at shoulder height, then slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall, keeping your body straight. Push back to the starting position and repeat. To adjust the difficulty, move your feet closer to the wall for an easier version, or farther away for a greater challenge. You can also vary hand placement to target different muscle groups. Aim for 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions, and remember to maintain good posture throughout the movement. The seated banded row is a highly effective exercise for seniors aiming to strengthen their upper back and improve posture. By using a resistance band while seated, this movement targets the muscles along the spine and shoulders, which are crucial for maintaining an upright posture. To perform the exercise, sit tall in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor and loop a resistance band around a secure object in front of you. Pull the band toward your ribs, keeping your elbows close to your sides, then slowly return to the starting position. Regular practice of seated banded rows can help support shoulder health, reduce the risk of slouching, and enhance overall mobility. This simple exercise can be easily adapted to different fitness levels, making it accessible and beneficial for older adults. To perform seated banded rows, begin by sitting upright in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor and your spine lengthened. Secure a resistance band around a stable object in front of you, such as a heavy table leg. Hold the ends of the band with both hands, keeping your arms extended. Pull the band back toward your ribs, making sure to keep your elbows close to your sides and your shoulders relaxed. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together as you pull. Slowly return your arms to the starting position, maintaining control of the movement. Choose a resistance band that allows you to complete 5 to 10 repetitions with good form, and aim for 1 to 3 sets depending on your fitness level. The sit-to-stand exercise is a practical way to strengthen the lower body and core muscles, which are essential for maintaining independence and mobility as we age. By repeatedly rising from a seated position and returning to the chair, this movement targets the muscles used in everyday activities, such as standing up and walking. It helps improve balance, stability, and overall leg strength, making it easier to perform daily tasks. Regular practice can enhance your ability to stand up from a chair without assistance, supporting better posture and reducing the risk of falls. This exercise is simple to perform at home and requires only a sturdy chair, making it accessible for most individuals. Sit-to-stand repetitions are a practical exercise for building lower body and core strength, especially beneficial for older adults. Begin by sitting toward the front of a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart and knees bent. Place your hands on your hips or use them for support as you push yourself up to a full standing position, then slowly lower back down to the seat. Start with 1 to 3 sets of 5 to 10 repetitions, adjusting based on your comfort and ability. As you gain strength, gradually increase the number of repetitions or sets, or try performing the movement without using your hands for added challenge. Consistency is key. Aim to include this exercise in your routine 2 to 3 times per week. Remember to allow adequate rest between sessions to support muscle recovery and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns before beginning a new exercise regimen. Standing calf raises are a simple yet powerful exercise for improving lower leg strength, balance, and mobility. By lifting your heels off the ground and holding the position briefly before lowering them, you engage the muscles in your calves, which play a crucial role in stability and walking. This exercise can be performed near a sturdy support, making it accessible for seniors and those with limited mobility. Regularly practicing calf raises helps enhance your ability to move confidently, reduces the risk of falls, and supports overall lower body function. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions to maximize benefits. Over time, you may notice improved balance and greater ease in daily activities such as climbing stairs or standing from a seated position. Standing calf raises are a straightforward exercise that can significantly improve lower leg strength, balance, and mobility, especially for seniors. To perform this movement safely, begin by standing near a sturdy surface, such as a chair or countertop, for support. Position your feet hip-width apart and slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto the balls of your feet. Hold this elevated position for 2 to 3 seconds, feeling the contraction in your calf muscles, then lower your heels back down in a controlled manner. For optimal results, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. To maximize benefits, focus on maintaining good posture throughout the exercise and avoid rushing each repetition. Gradually increase the number of repetitions or add light resistance as your strength improves, and always listen to your body to prevent strain or injury. Consistency is key when it comes to rebuilding muscle, especially as we age. Aim to perform strength exercises 2 to 3 times per week to see steady progress, gradually increasing the number of repetitions or the resistance used. A principle known as progressive overload helps your muscles adapt and grow stronger over time. Equally important is allowing your body adequate rest. Ensure at least 48 hours between strength training sessions to promote proper muscle recovery. This balance of regular exercise, gradual challenge, and rest creates the optimal environment for rebuilding muscle and maintaining overall health. Remember, patience and persistence yield the best results. Nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass, particularly for seniors. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein, making adequate intake even more important for muscle repair and growth. Consuming high-quality protein sources, such as lean meats, dairy, eggs, legumes, and fish, helps provide the essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance. Experts recommend spreading protein intake evenly throughout the day to maximize its benefits. In addition to protein, staying hydrated and including a variety of vitamins and minerals in your diet supports overall muscle health. Proper nutrition not only aids in recovery after exercise, but also enhances strength and mobility, contributing to a better quality of life for older adults. Before beginning any new exercise routine, especially for individuals over 60 or those with existing health conditions, safety should be a top priority. Consulting a healthcare professional can help identify any potential risks and ensure that the chosen exercises are appropriate for your specific needs. This step is particularly important if you are recovering from an injury or managing chronic health issues. A medical expert can provide personalized recommendations and modifications to prevent injury and promote effective progress. Listening to your body and starting slowly can further reduce the risk of strain or discomfort. Taking these precautions helps create a safe and sustainable path toward improved strength and overall well-being. Incorporating targeted strength exercises into your routine can make a significant difference in rebuilding muscle mass and supporting overall health as you age. Simple movements like chair squats, wall push-ups, and seated banded rows are effective for strengthening key muscle groups without the need for specialized equipment or a gym membership. These exercises not only improve muscle strength, but also enhance balance, posture, and mobility, which are essential for maintaining independence in daily life. Consistency and gradual progression are important for continued improvement, while adequate rest and nutrition support muscle recovery and growth. By regularly practicing these exercises, seniors can boost their confidence, reduce the risk of falls, and enjoy a greater sense of autonomy as they navigate everyday activities. Starting a muscle rebuilding journey can be a transformative step for seniors, offering renewed strength and vitality. No matter your current fitness level, it's never too late to begin incorporating simple exercises into your routine. By staying active and focusing on muscle health, you can support your independence and enhance your overall well-being. Consistency is key, and even modest efforts can lead to noticeable improvements in mobility and energy. Remember, each small step you take contributes to a healthier, more active lifestyle. With dedication and the right approach, you can enjoy the benefits of increased strength and confidence as you age.